Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow fondant. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 10 ounces of mini marshmallows, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 pound of powdered sugar. A little shortening will also be essential for preventing stickiness. This simple method yields a delicious and easy-to-work with fondant, perfect for covering cakes or creating decorative elements. It's a fantastic alternative to traditional fondant, offering a softer texture and a sweet, vanilla-like flavor. Once your ingredients are assembled, it's time to melt the marshmallows. Place the 10 ounces of mini marshmallows and 2 tablespoons of water into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat them in the microwave for 30 seconds, then stir well. Continue heating in 30-second intervals, stirring after each, until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. Be careful not to overheat them, as this can make the fondant difficult to work with later. Now for the fun part, kneading. Grease your work surface and hands with shortening. Gradually add the 1 pound of powdered sugar to the melted marshmallow mixture, mixing with a spoon until it becomes too stiff. Then, turn it out onto your greased surface and knead it like dough. Continue kneading until the fondant is smooth, elastic, and no longer sticky. If you want to color your fondant, add gel food coloring during this stage for even distribution. To store your marshmallow fondant, wrap it tightly in several layers of plastic wrap, ensuring no air can reach it. Place it in an airtight container and keep it at room temperature. It can last for several weeks this way. When you're ready to use it, if it feels too firm, microwave it for a few seconds until it's pliable again. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This fondant is perfect for covering cakes, cupcakes, or creating intricate decorations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.